I have seen the company go from 3 or 4 people in the back of a pickup truck to 50 employees and trucks coming in and out every day. It's pretty cool to be a part of that and to see the growth happen.
I can honestly say I love my job. I love what I do. I love who I work with, and I love who I work for.
I really love metal roofing. I love the process, how everything goes into place.
I think we also look at the value we bring to the community.
I get a lot of feedback from my clients that express, we're so happy we found a company that can do everything for us, and we don't have to worry about getting bids from 5 or 6 different contractors to do an exterior remodel in their house.
When somebody calls, I'm gonna be able to take care of them. But if I have the staff, I have the people, we're all excited and want to continue growing, it just naturally kind of moves in that direction. That's why we're called Valley Roofing and Exteriors. It's not just roofing anymore.
We install skylights, we do siding, sunrooms, and we can do just about anything that you would like to have done on the outside of your house.
It's fun to see something work, you know? Put together a project, come up with the best possible outcome for the customer, and then see the team kind of carry that through production and the customer smiling at the end of the job.
So a lot of times people come to the table thinking, you know, I just need a new roof, all the products are the same, how hard can it be? But there's a lot that goes into putting a new roof on.
What I found when I came into this industry is that the standard was very, very low. It may only last 5 or 10 years when it should last 30 to 50. And so it became my goal, my purpose, that we need to set a higher standard. And I think we've accomplished a lot of that.
You want the best materials going into this project that you are going to have on your house for the next 50 years, but you have to make sure it's installed well too. And that's where Valley Roofing, we are really thankful for the staff that we have, the production team. They care about their work and they care about doing an excellent job so that you have truly the roof that's going to last you for the next 50 years.
But the value of this company that probably means the most to me is the culture that is taught, to be dependable, to be reliable, to do whatever you do to stamp it with excellence, to be safe, to put customers first.